If you left a Telegram group and want to rejoin it, the good news is that in many cases it only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple methods, using an invite link and searching for a public group inside Telegram desktop. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the easiest method, which is using the invite link. If you already have the group's invite link, such as t.me/groupname, go ahead and click it or paste it directly into your web browser. Once the link opens, your browser may ask what app you want to use. When that happens, select Open Telegram Desktop. This will hand off the link to Telegram and take you straight to the group page. After Telegram Desktop opens, look at the bottom of the chat screen. You should see a Join Group button there. Click that button, and Telegram will add you back into the group. In many cases, that's all it takes. If the group is private, the invite link is usually the fastest and most reliable way to return. Now let's move on to the second method, which works best for public groups. Open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. At the top left of the window, you'll see the search bar. Click inside it and type the exact name of the group you want to rejoin. Be as accurate as possible, because Telegram may show similar results if the name is common. Once the group appears in the search results list, click on it to open the group preview. From there, look at the bottom of the screen and select Join. Telegram will then add you back into that public group, and you'll be able to see the chat again right away. A quick tip here: if you can't find the group by search, it may be private, renamed, or no longer available. In that case, you'll usually need the original invite link from a previous message, a friend, or the group admin. Also, if the group has restrictions or requires approval, you may need to wait for an admin to accept your request before you can fully rejoin. So just to recap, if you want to rejoin a Telegram group you left, you can either open the invite link and click Join Group, or search for the public group in Telegram desktop and hit Join from the group page. Both methods are simple, and once you know where to look, it becomes very easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.